Hey Springboro, here's what's coming up in the 45066. See the latest spring trends and hot fashions at the Shops of Historic Springboro and City of Springboro's Night of Fashion, Thursday, March 16th at the Performing Arts Center. Doors open at 6 p.m. with free gift bags to the first 100 guests. Following the fashion show, head downtown to pick up your favorite items. Bring your friends for a fun, free evening out. The Springboro Chamber of Commerce annual Hometown Expo, That Spring Thing, is 10 a.m. until 3 p.m. on Saturday, March 18th at Springboro High School. Visit over 220 exhibits featuring Springboro area small businesses and nonprofit organizations. This event is free and folks can enter to win hundreds of door prizes, taste a variety of foods at the Expo food court, and enjoy local entertainment throughout the day. Check out the gorgeous works by Chinese brush painting and ceramic artist Dr. Yufeng Wang, this month's featured artist in the Springboro Performing Arts Center Gallery, 115 Wright Station Way. Dr. Wang is offering a free brush painting workshop from 1 until 3 p.m. on Sunday, March 19th in the gallery. This event is open to the public and art supplies will be provided. The exhibit runs through March 26th and gallery hours are 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. Monday through Friday with some extended hours. Visit ci.springboro.oh.us for more information. The Springboro Area Historical Society is looking for volunteers. Stop by the museum, 110 South Main Street, from 2 until 4 p.m. on Sunday, March 19th, to learn about ways you can share your skills. March 20th is the first official day of spring. All Springboro parks are open dawn until dusk. Take a walk, run, or ride your bike. Enjoy our great outdoors. The Springboro Pastors Association hosts a monthly food drive to support the Springboro Community Assistance Center. This month's drive is hosted by Fairhaven Church, Springboro, 875 West Central Avenue. Drop off canned and boxed food along with condiments and other items noon until 3 p.m. on Sunday, March 26th. Visit springboro-communityassistance.org for details. Have an uplifting message to share with our community? See your message in lights at the Springboro Gateway sign at the corner of State Routes 741 and 73. Submit your message for consideration to Maureen at cityofspringboro.com. Check out our website for details. For more information about the City of Springboro events, visit our website, ci.springboro.oh.us. And that's the Boro Buzz.